In this video, I will provide an in-depth Magec neck cream review by exploring how it stacks up against standard moisturizers for targeted area care. When comparing a general face cream to a specialized product like this one, the biggest trade-off is often between broad hydration and specific lifting. While standard creams provide basic moisture, the Magec Collagen Fullerene Neck Cream is specifically formulated to target crepey skin and fine lines on the neck and décolleté. Looking at the features, the standout here is the cream-to-serum texture. Unlike heavy, greasy balms, this lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin. The focus of this product is its trio of key ingredients: collagen for elasticity, fullerene for advanced antioxidant protection, and niacinamide for brightening skin tone. In terms of value, the pricing is competitive at $29.99, especially with bundle options like the Duo or Family Pack that offer additional savings. While some users mention the container size feels a bit small, the 5-star reviews highlight its reliability and fast shipping. It is perfect for those looking to upgrade their daily self-care routine with a focus on firming and rejuvenation. To use it effectively, you simply massage a small amount upward on a clean neck and chest. Overall, this is a strong contender if you want a dedicated solution rather than a one-size-fits-all lotion. Thanks for watching our review of the Magec Neck Cream. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more skincare comparisons, and let us know in the comments if you've tried it.